Beautiful animation is like life. In nature, nothing stays the same. Everything is in motion. You may feel that learning animation is something complicated. It doesn't have to be. The only thing you have to do is to follow some simple techniques and learn how to be smart about it. Maybe you are a designer, an animator, or an art director, a video editor, or maybe you want to take your first steps into animation. Whether you are designing for yourself or for your client, now it's time to bring life to your design. My name is Apostolos Rousas, and I fell in love with animation long before I learned how to animate things. I've been creating and directing animations for famous brands for the past 10 years. And I have founded 2 successful animation companies, and I have learned that clients prefer simple things. And the best part about animation is that it's creating passive income for me. This means that you too can learn how to make money while you are sleeping. In this course, you will learn how to breathe life into your logos, make your typography dance, animate any graphic that you can think of, and revive your Instagram with animated posts, like I do, daily. And even more, you will turn boring static photos into real-life moving scenes. This is not just a how-to course. You will also learn the whys about animation and how to communicate your vision effectively to your clients. This knowledge will boost your confidence in your work. This course includes video lectures, assignments, my personal tips and tricks to work faster, my unique workflow setup, and animation resources and inspiration. Now you can breathe life into your creations and offer added value to your clients. I'm Apostolos, and I would love to be your guide into the magic world of animation.